Are you tired of spilling your drink while out on the water? In this video, we're jumping into the top 4 drink holders for your boat for 2024 to help you make an informed decision when it comes to keeping your drinks from making a mess all over your clean decks. All the drink holders we're discussing today are available on Amazon, and you'll find links to each one in the description down below, so you can check them out for yourself. Let's get started. First up is the tie hood. It is the perfect solution if you are looking for an adjustable folding drink holder. Imagine enjoying your time on a boat without worrying about where to place your drink. This folding drink holder will securely hold your beverage, giving you peace of mind and a hands-free experience. Plus, its adjustable feature ensures it fits any container size perfectly. Next up is the Cuda Custom Marine Boat Cup Holder. This cup holder can handle any adventure on the water. The Cuda's Customs Marine Boat Cup Holder is a very sturdy built product. The universal clamp-on mount is durable, high quality, and completely weatherproof, so you can trust it to hold your drink securely no matter what. Plus, our Smart Cup design fits a variety of cup sizes and comes with a slot for pliers. Our third pick is the BroCraft Poly Drink Holder with rail mount bracket kit. It holds 2 drinks, and it is a convenient and safe way to store your beverages on your boat. This drink holder is made of UV stabilized ABS, but a few of the reviews on Amazon say it yellows over time and looks dingy. The holder can be mounted to vertical or horizontal rails and is adjustable for 7/8 to 1-inch rail sizes. Our fourth and final pick is the stroller drink holder. Don't let it fool you. The 2-pack stroller drink holder is a convenient and practical accessory for parents on the go and works great for boating. Its universal design allows you to attach it to any round tubing from 1/2 to 1.5 inches. The holder is made of durable plastic, and its adjustable strap ensures a secure fit. It also has a flexible top that can accommodate different sizes of cups, bottles, or cans. I have 3 of these on my boat, and for the price, you can't beat them. With a hand-adjustable knob, they are very easy to move or take off and stow. So there you have it, the top 4 drink holders for 2024. Whether you're heading out for a weekend on the water or taking a long cruise, these drink holders have you covered. Check out the links in the description below to find the perfect drink holder for your needs. Happy boating!